everybody, welcome to Highlight Crafts, and here we have a new fabulous lift and lock launch for you. So this is our Christmas edition to the lift and lock. We have got 3 beautiful sets of baubles for you, and I am going to show you a little bit of sneaky peek of another one, an additional, so keep watching. So here we have our fabulous lift and lock set number 4, okay? So you have all these nested dies, and we even give you the little bits that go on the top of the baubles. If you know what they are, will you let us know? Not really sure. Caps, maybe? Wire hangers? Caps. Caps is a good answer. So Andrew's saying that in my head. Oh, in my speaker. And then obviously you've got the nested set. So in here you have got, it tells me on here somewhere, 12 dies. So shall we have a look? So you get in all of these sizes, which are brilliant. I am just going to leave that to that side. So you get all the little ones and even the little caps. Then with set number 4, this is our Craftmaster lift and lock. This is the decorative bauble in a bit. Okay, so this is the piece that makes this happen. Isn't that beautiful? So it's a solid piece of metal, and I will show you the dies at the end so you can actually get to see what they actually look like. Solid piece of metal that cuts into the card, okay? You then need these larger 3 sizes of your nested shape. So these 3 outer larger ones are what then you use together with this to create these, okay? So they're lovely, just lovely. So the same principle again. This one is set number 2. We've given you different designs, different shapes. Again, this is our Craftmaster lift and lock nested bauble set, okay? You can work with them on their own exactly as it is. Cut them on top of each other, make frames, loads of different ways of actually working with this. They are all symmetrical, so you can score them down the middle and make proper baubles for your tree. So again, with the nested set, you're getting all of these, and then you get the lift and lock piece. So again, solid piece of metal, cuts all of the lift and lock elements, so you're then able to do this. Now, I've kept this to one side because these 3 outer, the larger ones, this size, are what you use to then create and cut out your lift and lock piece to it, okay? So that's set number 2. Here we have set number 3. See, there's a theme going on here. Nested dies again, okay? So these are these 3 larger outer ones, and those are all the smaller ones you get. Even their caps, as we've said, you get the little bits on the top. This is then the Craftmaster lift and lock decorative bauble set number 3, which is the lift and lock element. So this is a solid piece of metal that actually cuts into this. You use this size, so the outer 3 sets that actually work with that, then enables you to do this. Look at this. So score them down the middle, and you can actually make proper 3D decorative baubles. Why wouldn't you? Okay, so these are the dies. Look. Aren't they phenomenal? They are brilliant. I know I've got a set of dies. The nested ones aren't here for this, but that's what I was meaning about the solid ones. These are a full solid piece, okay? So where you've got the die, where you've got the cuts, that's the only thing where it cuts. Doesn't drop out of the cardstock until you put the nested shape around the edge. And it's the 3 larger ones on each of the shapes that actually then create and drop out that fit the actual lift and lock element, okay? So those are the dies. You're getting an awful lot with this. So the class, love doing this. So I take you through making baubles. Of course they do. So there's different ways. So if you log on to there, you'll see all of the ways of being able to use these. That's actually quite a 3D one, okay? Double-sided. And then I also take you through and show you how to make this card as well, okay? So that is the class. You make the card and the 2 different baubles, well actually it's 3 different baubles on the class. And then finally, a little sneak peek for you all, because I know you love the sneak peeks. Ta-da! This is our web exclusive. It's beautiful. So for the web exclusive, you are getting an entirely different shape die altogether. So these are your nested shapes. Okay, same as the others, all different sizes. Look at all those that you're getting. Aren't they phenomenal? You're getting your little caps as well. And then you will get a solid piece of metal that creates this beautiful, I just love this. I love the way that it actually plats together, and actually the making and putting the mechanism together, lifting and locking and doing that click and fitting it all together is so relaxing. I just love building with these. So that is a sneaky peek at the web exclusive. So that is our brand new Highlight Crafts Lift and Lock launch. So come along, look at all our inspiration and our education that's going to come forward for this. Don't forget to tune in and watch the show. So there'll be lots of demonstrations and things on there for you. Thank you very much for dropping along and having a look at what our launch has been. Something very, very different and new. There's also lots more on the show to show you as well. We've got lots of extra borders and corners and shapes and things coming for you. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like and share, and also show us all your makes, and we'll see you all again real soon. You take care. Bye.
If you would like to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications on all our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.